Hey, it's Nani, and I'm going to do Shot For Me by Drake. I'm doing a remix, so tell me what you think. I hope you like it. Here it goes. Look at me, I see your pain. The love really never ever faded away. Are you mad cause we broke up? Mad cause I never took you back. Hold up, you told me lies. I sat there and cried. I felt stupid when you were by my side. All the times you said to me, baby, I love you, you're the only one for me. I believed it like a dummy. When you hold my hand and kiss me, it was lovely. But now it's over, yeah, I'm leaving. Don't forget the memories that we were keeping. Like you played me with Tamika. That was funny, honey, hope that you would keep her. Cause now I'm gone, nice to meet ya. I'm done with the little shit we had between us. Cause you're a player, and I'm a dater. And I don't wanna be with the hater. So see you later. I was faithful, and you were creeping while I was sleeping. And you were clubbing on the weekend, and I was waiting for you to come see me. But you didn't, yeah you didn't. I felt like a fool, and I was tipsy. I'm done with you, yeah. I'm done with you, yeah, yeah.